Hey y'all, we're gonna do the old file episode here. Down below in the description you'll see a few links there that'll explain everything that I'm not going to go into. Otherwise we'll have a 25-minute video here, but in depth, and you'll understand the whole premise of these different grades and different types of files with the different cuts and what have you. And what they're for, with different types of metal and the finish that they leave. One thing I want to show you is this is a mill bastard file. This is the one I was using on the chassis after I sanded down with a 90 and an 80 grit disc. And this is the same cut. This is a mill bastard file as well. You see it's shorter, it's smaller. And what happens is as they get smaller, and with the same cut, they get finer. Actually, I don't think it's a ratio thing. The ratio, the length, you know, somehow, and I think they back that up in the stuff down below. Weird thing is here I get some second cut files, which down below you'll see the description for that. They're both half rounds, little different sizes, and the smaller one is actually finer than the larger one. Even on the round side, you can really see the difference, but they're the exact same grade of cut. So, why? I don't know. Like I said, it must be a ratio. The length of this thing must have to do with, you know, teeth per inch and all that kind of thing, whatever. But this one here is a double cut. These were all single cut. This is actually a combo as well. It's got teeth on the edges, right? Not the sides, the edges. This is a double cut. It has two sets of teeth cut into it on different angles, and nothing on the edges. So non-combo, but this thing will hog the metal down quicker and leave a rougher finished surface, obviously. So you have to progress from a rough file to a medium file to a super fine file. And it's the same with no matter how big and small they are. Needle files, micro files, all the same. Different grades, different types, different shapes and stuff. I got a bunch of triangles, completely round, different diameters of round, square, I mean, you know, just for whatever. We use them for all kinds of stuff, but the most important part of these using a file is how you manipulate it. And obviously two hands is going to be far better than one, and for lack of a better piece to use, I use this piece of rubber hose. You got your say your chassis, right? You're going to go in two axes. You're going to go around the tube and across the tube at the same time, and you're probably going to do that with pretty much anything that's round. The only time you would want to be straight, dead, and flat and just go this way and in a little amount is when you're filing something flat, say like this, you know. When you move across in two axis, you're gonna be more what's the word I'm looking for? Consistent, I guess. The finish is gonna be more consistent, and the surface will be more consistent. There won't be a bunch of dips and flat spots and what have you in it. So that's it for the files. Take a look down below in the description. There's some good stuff there that can lead you to whatever it is that you're looking for, you need in metal finishing. Okay, we cleaned up a couple pieces from the chassis today. These clamps for the Boerman bars on the side, and we will close with that. Check it out.